I have been sticking to those guidelines that were given to me by my consultant. Good morning, good morning, good morning. If you notice, I've already taken my scarf off of my head. I am wearing, this is 2 beads, black and gold, and I'm wearing some gold earrings. This is what I'm wearing on my second day of school. Before I go into my quick little story and style my hair, I want to tell my subscribers, thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if there's anyone that's watching this video right now, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, come on, what are you waiting on? Yeah, come on. Join that G&G family by clicking on the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that way you will know when I upload new videos. I went back to work yesterday. Woo. Going back to work after a little over a month is the same as the first day of school. Things were different, and yesterday I was tired. You guys, I was about pooped. I came home, put my bags down, went to my room, started changing my clothes, and I got halfway through. Yeah. I took a quick nap, and I was so happy that I had some microwavable soup that I could put in the microwave and quickly heat, because that was my dinner yesterday. Because I also had a Toastmasters meeting, and I made it through that, I think because I had a quick nap before then. But it was kind of rough. But I'm feeling revived this morning. I'm ready to go. Yes, I'm going to make it through this next 7 weeks. And remember, I said 7 weeks. Oh yeah, it has been quite a journey. I want you to see my hair. And I also wanted to give you an update on what I've found in my hair. My husband and I, if I can find it again in there. And I'm pretty sure I can. I'm going to let you look at this one. Okay, I'm going to put it there so you can see. And you can see this knot on the end right here. And I know it's locking, and I'm going to leave it alone. So maybe I see it in the back. Okay, I don't think this is it either. But I have a few locks. They feel hard on the end when I press on it, and I know that then it's locking. I feel like my gray hair from this point on down is definitely locking. It even looks different. I want you to see if you can see the difference in my gray hair and my black hair. My black hair seems to be a little bit looser, but it appears to be catching up. And I just wanted to give you that little update on what was going on with me and my hair. I'm still loving my hair. I have still not oiled my hair. I don't oil my scalp. And it may be because even when I was a loose natural, I really didn't oil my scalp. I would take oil to seal in moisture from the conditioner that I would use or the moisturizer I would use on my hair. And maybe my hair or my scalp was conditioned to not receive oil, but use the natural sebum to produce its own oil and moisture. And so there are times when I might massage my hair a little bit, and that would then move that sebum into my hair. I know it would slowly move down the shaft, but like this morning, my hair feels so good. It's not dry. I miss my hair less and less. So I may go weeks and not spray water on my hair unless I am trying to get curls to set in, like I did when I did my braid out in my previous video that I'm going to link right up here. But one of the reasons that I did decide to get Sisterlocks was because I wanted to spend less time with my hair and more time with my husband. And so I have been sticking to those guidelines that were given to me by my consultant, and I've been able to maintain my hair in that way. I just wanted to give you an update and let you know that this is a sister who still loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. But I especially love God because His mercies are new every morning. And I realize that every morning I get up, it is a blessing. And it is a blessing that I can stand here and tell you about the goodness of Jesus in the land of the living. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day.